So we've come to the big day itself, the day of the move, and we've done loads of preparation to get to this state. All our plants are ready and lined up. We've moved them into a nice shady space so that they're out of full sun, so that they don't wilt too much on a hot sunny day. If they do start to flag, then you might like to have a watering can to hand with some tepid water, not cold water straight out of the mains, because that will shock them too much. Some nice tepid water just to give them a quick sprinkle, just to liven them up and keep them going. And you also might like to have your sprayer to hand just to spray down that foliage if it really is very hot. Fleece is also good, or a piece of polythene just to throw over the plants to maintain the humidity underneath and again stop them flagging. And that's really useful in the winter too, because it will keep any cold off vulnerable plants. When it comes to moving, if you're going to move large items around, then make sure that you've got somebody else on hand to help you lift, because the last thing you want to do on your moving day is to strain yourself. And don't forget to have a quick bat round the garden, last thing, just to check that you've taken everything that you want to take with you, everything under the terms of that contract, incidentally. And also talk to your removal men and make sure that they know what they're taking and what you're taking. They might be taking the large statues and garden ornaments and furniture, whereas you might be taking the plants. So just get that right from the outset on the moving day itself. So all that's got to be done now is load the car.